Check this nose out. Isn't that awesome? I just love this thing. It is so stunning. It's made by Vickers in the UK. It's called a Bluebird, imported by Bebarfald. It's a thing that you don't see every day. I've polished it, and look at those beautiful decals. They're all still there. None of them have faded or gone away. It's like a little time capsule. It's like someone bought this thing and they forgot it was there for 100 years. And now look at it. It's in such an awesome condition. I polished it, I got it going, and it runs like an absolute beauty. And I'm just enthralled with this thing.